Asky, hush.
Get off.
That is Siobhan. Yes.
Here, girl. Here. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Get off. Off. Yeah. Hey. Good. Let her go. Hey. No. Now, don't work the dog, though. You got to stay with the sheep. We want the dog working the sheep, not working us. Get off of that. Okay, what do I was thinking that direction you walk. Okay. So, if I want to get off, I just point at the shoulder, but I keep it going that direction. Okay. Get off. I understand the stick now. Get off. Now, if I wanted to go the other way, I'm going to come this way. Walk it. That way. Come by. See, I'm putting pressure on the floor that way. When she dives in, I'm going to point and get her off. See, Tom got her going that way? Yep. Good dog. I'll change her the other direction. Get on. See how I did that?
There you go.
All right, here you go. Hey. Good. Keep her going now. Keep her going that direction a little. Go on. There you go. Now you're cooking.
Good, hey.
Now just block her. Change direction. Block her to go to your left. Go to your left. Go to your left. Your left. Your left. You go to your left. Now there. There you go. That's all right. You're doing good now. You're doing good. You got it. You got it. Call her and let her go.
Here. Let's go.
There you go.
Let's go.
There you go. That's all right. Let her go that way.
Good.
Wait a minute.
Good. Hey. Keep going. Good.
Yep, good. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Get off. Get off.
Hey, get off.
Good. All right. Now step to your left. There you go. Block her. Let her go.
All right.
Wait. Come by.
Good.
Follow her. Follow her.
Hey.
You got to kind of follow on around with her when she goes around. Move around a little. Move around a little. There you go. Come on.
Nope.
Step to your left. You step to your left. Block her. Block
No.
her. Call her in. Call her in. There you
Good.
go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Go. Good. Good. Shh. Atta girl. Atta girl.
Yeah.
Keep following her. Follow around with her. You
You
got to walk around the sheep with her. There you go. Now, whichever direction she goes, you trying to follow her. Don't hit her. Get right around by her butt. There you go. Keep going a little. Keep going a little. Keep going. There you go. Now you're cooking. Uh-oh. Don't do that though.
Hey.
Watch that cord.
Wrapping it
You
around.
step on that cord when it doesn't need it. You're giving her a correction. Hush.
Sorry, Asky, hush.
Okay, go ahead.
Nope.
Don't step on the cord. There you go. Don't step on the cord.
Hey.
Yeah, but if you do, you'll give the dog a correction that it doesn't need.
That makes sense.
Let's go the other way. I'm getting dizzy. Okay. Go.
Yeah, step to your left.
Got it.
Hurry. Now, go on. Shh.
Go.
Come by. Shh. Flap your stick on the ground. Come by. Stab. Do it. Come by. Come to your left. Insist you go. There you go. Come by. That a girl. That a girl. Let her go. Good. Come by. Follow her around. Hustle. Come on. Shh. Come by. Get off. Come by. Good girl. Come by. Follow her around. Come by. Hurry. You're heading her. You got too ahead of her. You got to get behind her, kind of.
Okay.
See, if you get too far to her head,
She stopped.
you're going to change her direction. See, you got to feel that pressure
Asky,
point.
hush.
Asky, hush.
All right, so try and go again.
Okay, let's go.
Had a girl, come by. Shh, come by. Good girl. All right, let her go. Wait a minute. Let her go. There. Now get off. And let her work. That away. Now follow her. Wait a minute. Follow her. Get behind her. There you go. Now you're cooking.
There you go. Hey.
Good. All right. Change that. Get off. Just tell her to get off and let her work. Once she lets go and get off, you take the pressure off and let her work.
Okay.
Good girl. Go.
Go. Good.
Good girl. Atta girl. Come by. Good girl. Come by. Good girl.
Good dog.
Get off. Let her work now. Good girl. Come by.
No, hush.
Good.